So this video is for one of my subscribers that asked me if Toyota uses the same tire brands for all the cars. Este video es para uno de mis suscriptores que me preguntó que si las llantas de todos los carros son de la misma marca. So in this video I'm gonna show you all the cars that are inside here, and we're gonna check out the brands of the cars, so that way you can see that the answer is no. Let's see, first one, the Sienna. Alright, so the Sienna right here has some Bridgestone. That's the Sienna all-wheel drive. Sienna all-wheel drive has Bridgestone. Here the 2019 hatchback, Corolla hatchback, has a Yokohama brand. If we go here to the RAV4, 2018 Toyota RAV4 has Continental brand. If we go here to the Highlander, this one has Bridgestone right over here. And if we go over here to the Toyota Camry, let's see, now we are on the 2019 Toyota Camry. This one has Bridgestone. Now the Avalon, our most expensive cars, has Turanza. Those I've never heard before, but I guess they must be good. Now the 2019 Camry LE, which is the other one was the Sport, this one's the LE. This one has Michelin tires. Which in my case, that's the ones that I have in my car, Michelin. But now this is the Corolla LE. The Corolla LE has Michelin tires. And of course the Tacoma SR has Hankook, however you say Hankook. And then we got the Yaris IA. The Yaris IA has Praxis tires. So you saw all the tires that all of them have, and this guy has Michelin tires in here, off-road, 4x4. So that's all the tires. Anyone else has tires? She has no tires left. Over here, no tires. Oh, this guy has some off-road tires. Look at this. And then, oh yeah, this one too. Michelin.